One, two, three, four. Hello again. In this lesson we're going to look at how to play the old Scottish folk song Anachie Gordon, which has been recorded notably by two of our greatest female singers, Mary Black and Sinead O'Connor. I'm playing the song in the key of G, and the following are the chords. We have 7 chords to look at here. G major, A minor, B minor, C major, E minor, and D major. And we also have a chord with an unusual name, G/F sharp, G over F sharp. And that means we play the G chord, but instead of playing the G bass, which is the 3rd fret of the 6th string, we're playing the 2nd fret of the 6th string, which is F sharp. You might fret the G as follows. If you do that, you just simply substitute your first finger, take your finger off the 3rd fret and put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. The song is in 4/4 time, and we're using a 4/4 finger picking pattern to accompany the song. I have a full lesson on how to play this pattern if you want to check it out, but it's quite straightforward. And it's as follows. So we'll take the G chord, one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm doing there is the 1 beat is picked with my thumb in the case of all the chords. 1. My fingers pick the following pattern: and, 2, and. 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string. 2nd string picked with my 2nd finger with an up pick. 3rd finger picked with my 1st finger, up pick. And the 1st string picked with my 3rd finger, up, pick again. So that's slowly. 1 and 2 and. Now your hand won't have to move during this. It's not like strumming where you have some wrist movement. Keep your hand nice and steady, because your fingers are going to be picking this pattern. You need your hand and your fingers in the correct position. 1 and 2 and. Now for the 3 beat, we could pick that 6th string again, but what we're going to do is, for variety, is to alternate the bass, that bass string. For the G major chord, I'm picking the 6th string, that's my 1 beat. And for the 3 beat, I'm picking the 4th string. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's the same with all the other chords then. So for the C chord, the root note this time is the 5th string, 3rd fret, because that note is C. Same pattern with my fingers, 1 and 2 and. And this time the 3 beat is the 4th string again. So 1, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The D chord, the root note this time is the 4th string. So we're going to pick the 4th string with my thumb and alternate that with the 5th string. So 4th, 5th, 1 beat and 3 beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. A minor is like the C. The 1 beat is the 5th string. The 3 beat is the 4th string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The E minor chord, the root note here is the 6th string because that's E. And we alternate that with the 4th for the 3 beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And is that all the chords? B minor, the B minor chord shape is a tricky chord enough. And this time the 5th string is the 1 beat. Alternate with the 4th. 1, 3. So the only other chord then is the G over F sharp, which is fingered as follows. We only play this for a half a bar. It comes in after the G and it might make more sense. 1, 3. It's actually leading down to the E minor. And I'll just finish it out there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and actually after that E minor it goes to the D. When you're playing along this song, you'll have a full bar for most chords. So it will be for the G, you'll have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and for the C it will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But there's a couple of instances where you play a half a bar. So we've got that half bar each for the G chord and the G/F sharp chord. 1, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and half a bar for the E minor, 1 and 2 and finish the bar on the D, 3 and 4 and that leads into the C. So if you download the lyrics chords sheet, you will see that that chord sequence is at the end of the 2nd line and also the end of the 4th line. If you're interested in learning how to play songs and tunes popular in Ireland, have a look at the website getcrackingguitar.com and there are hundreds of lessons there that you might be interested in. 1, 2, 3, 4.